Good evening, everyone. It is Wednesday, February 16th, 2022, and I am your host, Cricket Lot. And tonight we are going to talk about the moon phases and essential oils, which is pretty interesting. I had never read anything about that before, so I kind of enjoyed learning about this. So I hope you find it as interesting as I did. We'll see how this goes this time. So, hey, Sue. She'll be on in a second here. I'm going to make this big here. Now let's see if we can go through the things. So this is, how you use oils in conjunction with the moon phases, and certainly ask questions. I don't know a ton more about it than is in the presentation, but we'll talk about it. And of course, we're not here to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent disease. So y'all know how they talk about the full moon can make us act a little crazy. And is there really any truth to that? Well, I'm a firm believer in that because I used to work on a customer service line, and I can tell you for sure during the full moon, it was crazier. And nurses will tell you there's more babies born during the full moon. So there's lots of anecdotal evidence for that fact. And of course, our bodies are mostly water, and the moon and the sun affect the tides. So full moon and new moon is when it's the strongest, because the sun and the moon are lined up in a relatively straight line. So that's when you get the lowest and highest tides. So could the moon be affecting us because of the water in our body? It certainly is a possibility. So all lunar phases represent some aspects of transition. Healing with the moon cycles helps us to make time to listen to our intuitive selves, and it allows us to dive into the depths of what we need and let our inner wisdom speak to us. Oh, I gotta let people in. Sue, are you here? Sue. Let her in twice now, so I don't know if she must be having some trouble. Whoops, I gotta go backwards here. Okay, moon phases. Can you see the slide that says moon phases? Nobody's.
Yes.
Okay, good.
It's in a circle.
Moon phases plus emotions. No, probably not.
Moon phases and essential oils is what I see.
Okay.
Yes.
Now emotions.
Emotions.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, oh, and this is the one I just talked about. Amplify your healing. And so let's go down to the moon energy. So essential oils can have a powerful and healing effect on, whoops, here it is, which gets amplified in highly energetic times like a full moon. So I encourage you to start inviting them into your full moon ritual, the essential oils, your daily meditation practice, or just your everyday home and life. Whether you believe in the power of oils or not, try them, see if you notice a difference. As we move through each lunar phase, we can use the power of essential oils to connect at a deeper level with the energy that is available to us. Essential oils are potent not only when it comes to supporting our physical well-being, but also they are amazing, energetic, high vibrational tools we can incorporate into our daily life. Honoring the moon reconnects us with the Earth's rhythms and our natural cycles. So when we are in sync with nature, it is easier to listen to ourselves. Healing with the moon cycles also helps us make time to listen to our intuitive selves and allows us to dive into the depths of what we need and let our inner wisdom speak to us. So we're going to talk about the different moon phases. So it'll be a list of each of the phases. Just a minute. This is Sue that couldn't get in. Oh. What's up, Sue?
Do I need to assist?
I don't know.
Okay. I'll
Let me
text her and
call
see
her.
if she's
Yeah, let me pause the recording.
okay.
I think. Can I pause the recording? I probably can't pause it unless I. Hey, you can't get in? That's weird. Yeah. Can you just dial in? Okay. 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 Bye. She's gonna just dial in.
Okay.
Okay. So, moon energy, moon phases. Okay, the new moon. The new moon, the energy level is new beginnings. And I can send these slides so you'll have the oils and the affirmation form. So I'll just send the ones that have each moon phase and what oils to use. So the
Okay.
oils that you, yes?
She said okay.
Okay. The oils you can use are abundance, cypress, lavender, bergamot, patchouli, or grapefruit. Now you don't have to use all of these. You can just use one of these or a couple of these if you want to. And as you're applying them and meditating, you can say, my world has an abundance of love, trust, and compassion. So this is for new beginnings. So the new moon, of course, is when it's dark, when the sky is dark and you can't see a moon at all. Okay. The waxing crescent is this one over here. And the way I remember the phases of the moon is DOC.
Oh.
So, so after the new moon, the first thing is, see, it's how it's kind of shaped like a D here.
Mm-hmm.
So that's called the waxing crescent.
Wow.
And the energy is intention. And the oils are ginger, myrrh, rosemary, coriander, cypress, and lavender. And the affirmation is, I relax into my intention and I breathe.
That's awesome.
Okay, and then the next phase is, come on, the first quarter. So it's completely a D now. So it's this one that's in the brown. And the energy for this one is decision making. And the oils for decision making are peppermint, rosemary, lemon, and wintergreen. And the affirmation is, I move towards my dreams with courage and creativity. Okay, and then the next phase is the first quarter. Isn't this the first? I thought that was the waxing crescent. You know what? I bet.
Usually it was peppermint, lemon.
Which
for
one?
That, decision making.
Decision making. Peppermint, rosemary, lemon. No, wait. Intention. I relax into my intention.
Yeah, I got that one. What was his name?
I'm trying to figure out these slides. Why don't they correspond to? Okay, waxing crescent. Where is that? Okay, this is waxing gibbous.
Yeah.
First quarter.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the waxing crescent. There's the first quarter. Okay, down to this one. Waxing gibbous. So that's this one back here. So it's kind of looking more like a C. So the energy for here is refinement. And the oils are bergamot, thyme, copaiba, pine, juniper, and cedarwood. And the affirmation is, my life is filled with love and joy, and I attract everything I need.
Nice.
Okay, the full moon. So actually, they kind of have these out of order because it goes, the full moon goes in the middle before you get over to this one, which was the
Okay.
waxing gibbous. So full moon, guess what we're in right now?
The full
Yeah.
moon.
Full moon. So the energy is release and sealing of intention. And so the oils are release, cardamom, eucalyptus, myrrh, sandalwood, and lang lang. And the affirmation is, I am releasing all that is not in alignment with my greatest and highest good. Okay, and then the waning gibbous. The energy is gratitude. The oils are frankincense, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, myrtle, and citrus fresh. And the affirmation is, I remind myself that rest is just as important as taking action. A
That's
very
awesome.
hard thing to remember. And then the third quarter, so that's right here. Yeah, so they did these totally out of order. The third quarter is, the energy is also release. And the oils are peppermint, cardamom, frankincense, fennel, sandalwood, and tangerine. And the affirmation is, now that I am receiving, I give back from a place of abundance. And then the waning crescent, which is the one that looks like the C, is surrender. And the oils are frankincense, geranium, sage, basil, cinnamon, and lemon. And the affirmation is, I let go of the past and understand that mistakes are growth.
Ah,
So even
nice.
if you make a mistake, you can learn from it and grow. So, so using essential oils during the different moon phases helps to ignite your energy and give a boost physically and emotionally. So the vibrational frequency of the essential oils have a powerful effect on our mind and emotions and are a helpful way to support the intentions of each lunar phase. So the suggested blends can support transitions on a mental, emotional, energetic, or spiritual level. The essential oils should never be burned. We all know that, because burning negates the power of them. So you can put them in a diffuser, you can put them in your hand and cup your hands over your nose and mouth. You can, rub them on your shoulders, rub them on your belly, rub them on the top of your head, wherever you feel led to for that particular intention is where you should put it. And, or you can do a moon ritual bath. So, it's often the ritual of choice because of the relationship between moon and water. Okay, so take some Epsom salt or sea salt. I like Epsom salt because it's not quite as drying on your skin. It's magnesium, it's not a salt. So I take about a half a cup and I put 2 or 3 drops of the oil I want to use on the Epsom salt and then throw it in the water. And then that helps the oils disperse through the water better in your bath. So, and then just take a, soaky bath. Or if you have any of the, bath bombs from Young Living, you can put your oil of choice on those. Like the February gift with purchase is lavender bath bomb. So, you could put frankincense on there, or if lavender is the oil for the phase, then you can do that. So, so that is all there was for that. So I'm going to stop sharing here so we can see each other. Although there's nobody here to see. Where are you guys?
I'm here. I'm here. I'm back.
I'm here, but I'm feeding the baby.
Okay.
Aw.
Aw.
I thought I better put my video back up.
yeah.
Here we go.
So, so if you're watching this on a replay, if you'll email me or text me your email address, I will send you the slides that have to do with the moon phases. And those of you that are on the call, I'll send them to you. So Deborah Hiawatha, you all got the ones from last time?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Barb, Janice, Amadou, and Sue Smith. Right? Did I get everybody? Deborah Hiawatha, Barb, Janice, and Sue.
All right.
Okay. I'll send them
Hi,
out to
friend.
you guys.
Hello.
Got in a little bit late. When I got in, was that like a new moon for affirmation for the new moon? Is that where it started?
New moon is the very first phase that we did. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Thank you.
yeah. Okay. So any questions?
I'd like for you, this is Hiawatha. I would like for you to repeat that about that bath routine, how you do a bath.
Okay, let me stop the recording.
Have a cup of Epsom salt.
Okay. I'm going to stop the recording here.